I've got myself a new studio. Alright guys, now I hope you're all good. So you may have noticed that I've not really been very active on YouTube lately. And there's been a very good reason, and that's because it's been a very stressful time. But I finally moved house. So this is a new gaff. This is going to be my new studio. It's so much bigger and better than the last one. It's all enclosed, it's actually in the basement of the house. So there are no windows, which means I can completely control the light. And it's in the basement, so it's very quiet and it's very private, which was the biggest problem with my old place. It was a tiny little 2x2 room. It was only upstairs in the house, and I get very camera shy and I don't really like my family, my wife mainly, listening in on what I'm doing. So I would very rarely be able to make videos because I'd have to wait till she's either out or it's a weekend or whatever. So I just never really got time to make these videos, and it was very annoying because ideally I want this to become my full-time job. It's going to take a while, but I've not been able to do that because I've been very restricted on when and when I can't make these videos. And because we were moving house, I had a lot of things I needed to fix because the house wasn't perfect. So I wanted to get this sorted so I could definitely sell the house and we could definitely move to somewhere bigger and better. And one of the priorities was that I'd have my own studio space, a private studio space whereby I'm not going to be interrupted and I don't need to feel camera shy or worried that anybody's listening in. So currently, my wife is upstairs, she's in the living room, hopefully she can't hear this. And then I can just crack on without having to be a bit embarrassed. Because, you know, it's a bit silly talking to a camera on your own, isn't it? So yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? So, I don't really have a full plan, but I'm going to talk you through what I'm thinking for this space. So this space is roughly, I don't know, I can't do the math. I mean, I'll write it down if I do the measurements, but I think it's about 3x4. So it's roughly a 12 square metre space. Previous space was like a 2x2. In fact, it was like a 1.9 by 1.8. So it was like less than 4 square metres. It was absolutely tiny. I was very restricted. Didn't really feel very inspired. Whereas this place is my baby, right? So we're going to have a big feature, picture this. Are you still with me? So this is going to be a nice big feature wall. So I'm thinking, there, we're going to have some sound panels. So like those wood sound panels that everybody's got at the moment that are like slatted. And then the same over there. So we might have one and one, so it might be like a corner thing. With those, you can buy these like strip lights, yeah, that go inside. So I'll have some nice like backlit. So I'll have that hair light that I've never had before. I'm thinking my desk in the middle here, so that's the backdrop. Filming this way, right? You still with me? Then here, still not figured it out, but I'm thinking some units, right, with all my stuff inside, which we're going to get onto today, or in this video anyway. And then some nice sort of feature there. Not entirely sure, maybe from some photographs, I don't know, we'll figure it out along the way. Colour scheme. My wife's not too impressed, but I'm thinking black. Black with wood effect. So we're going to go black everywhere, apart from the ceiling. So black on the walls. Skirting boards I'm not going to bother with, they're just going to stay white. Wood effect panels, and then wood effect furniture, yeah? So it's going to be very dark and very moody, but we're going to be able to control it with all this light. So we're going to have all these like nice little feature lights, so we'll have like practical lights, and we'll have these sort of, you know, we'll have these sort of lights as well, but they need upgrading because they suck. So that's the plan, but it's going to take a while. I'm not going to be able to do it overnight. So my thought process is to make these videos in like stages. So it won't be like one full-on video. I mean, I might do a full-on video later on, but I may as well get these videos out because I can't actually start making videos until this is sorted out. And I kind of wanted to sort it out with you guys in tow. So as you can see, all my stuff is literally all over the floor. Took me ages to find this mic, took me ages to find the camera, took me ages to find the tripod. Nightmare. Anyway, so I'm thinking if I want to build my IKEA furniture that I bought the other week, which is like bog standard IKEA furniture that everybody's got, I think it's like the best seller. You'll You'll definitely know what it is once it's built. And then what I've got is these things. So like little divider trays. So I'm going to put these in all of the drawers, and then obviously I'm going to organise it and put all my cables in, USB-Cs, chargers, batteries, all that malarkey and all that fun stuff, so I can at least find things. Oh, I forgot. I got a pegboard, standard IKEA pegboard. So I thought that was going to go in the middle actually. Sorry for all the noise, I'm tripping over stuff. So I thought that was going to go like that. And then have things hanging off that. I want some plants in here as well. Maybe some fake ones because there's no natural light. So they will die. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, if you've got any ideas, type in the comments below because I would be very interested to know what your thoughts are on a room of this sort of size. Again, it's not very tall. I can touch the ceiling. So I think it's actually 2 meters tall in total. I'm like 1.8. So yeah, I think it's bang on 2 meters. So I can't really get anything like booming off the ceiling. Clearly the artwork needs to go. Although it does look pretty cool actually. But no, that's going. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so we're going to open them. It's the Malm storage, obviously. Should have known that. I got this so hard. Is it so difficult? There we go. Instructions. I'm going to need these. Right, so I honestly don't think that you need to watch me build IKEA furniture. So we'll just cut to it being finished. Okay, so that transition didn't quite work out. I suck at my job, what can I say? But anyway, it was boring footage anyway. So I've built my Malm units from IKEA. They look fantastic, as you can see in this B-roll footage. I've also put my divider storage little trays in the top 2 drawers because I thought I'd bought more. I didn't, so I've only got enough to do the top 2 drawers, but it definitely looks a million times better than what I used to have. It is so organised now. Love it. Also, I've made some lights, which I also got from IKEA. I got this nice little light down here, which is like an Edison bulb. Love it, fantastic. Also got another reading light over in the corner over there. And then over here, I've got a tall boy kind of, whatever you want to call it, floor standing light as well, which my wife hates because she doesn't like kind of like cold coloured lamps, but obviously I can change the lamps. So that's it really. I mean, I don't really have much else to say in this video. It's a pretty boring video. Basically, I just wanted to give you guys an update because, I don't know, I mean, let me know in the comments, do you actually want to see videos like this where I give more of a life update as well as tutorials and, you know, gear reviews and all that kind of stuff, which obviously I'm going to do, but I'm not sure if you actually want to see what else I get up to. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'm going to keep this as an ongoing series because I can't do it all in one video. I need to paint. I've bought the slat walls actually for that bit there. So I bought the slat walls. Haven't bought the lights yet because I'm still deliberating on that because it's quite expensive. It's working out to be about £200 for these lights and I can't really afford it at the moment. We've just moved house and I'm broke, so yeah, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, I've got the slat walls coming, so I will film those being installed if you want to see that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the bell, all those nice things that'll put a smile on my face. And I'll see you in the next one, which should be pretty soon. Thanks for watching. I know, you heard a little something about me, right? People love to talk.